But I start with a question and ask them, hey, if you start that job, what is most motivating for you? And then sometimes you get what do you mean by that? And then just ask, what motivates you? Why do you want to work here? Right? What makes a job really motivating for you? They should think about that. And if they don't get it, then I give them some like bullet points, for example, saying, hey, other employees, some are motivated by just having freedom in their job to decide where they want to work. Others are motivated by money. Others are motivated by very complex work. Others are motivated by the team. So what is yours? My managers and CEOs, they do the same with their team. It's really ongoing. And I want to encourage everyone to speak up whenever they feel something is not okay, raising their awareness for not what they don't want, but for what they want. It will be a culture where complainers will quit after the first week because there is no room for complaints. There is room for finding problems and then solutions, which is okay. Yeah. You want to get out when you do when you do this work, you want to get out from thinking in people. You want to start thinking in roles as an architectural part of your business. So I would give them the role description, but not the person's name. Because once you have the role description, the next thing is to have a meeting with your team, for example, show them the roles, what they do, their purpose, and why they are important, and then offer these roles to your team. And then they decide if they want to take a role. So you have strong commitment on the role. I would train the project managers or customer success managers to identify upsell and cross-sell potential, right? You train them by showing them and training them on your portfolio of services and what problems these services solve. So when they see in working with your client that your client has a problem you can solve with your service, then I would tell them to create a deal in your sales pipeline, right? And then notify the salesperson that here's a deal, please take it over. If you have any questions or need my support, please ping me. But then the project manager, customer success manager has the ball, thrown it to sales, and then it's theirs. Right? Otherwise, it's like a thing in the air. Nobody knows who cares about it. And it is sales who should care about it. For example, when you create a marketing strategy as one deliverable, a work item below this strategy is persona definition, offer definition. And then I would either create a quick video or instructions in a separate sheet that you link in the work item where people can learn more about how to do it properly. Now, you don't need to build that up in the beginning because it's a lot of work. I would start with those things where you have the highest volume, for example, strategies that takes most of your time, or ad optimization, if this is what you do most frequently, and document this properly and then go one after another. The biggest impact on your team and the transparency is if you know the deliverables first, not in detail how they created, but what you need to create for your client, right? And then go one after another by frequency, for example, to define them further, either with a video or with a separate Google Doc, which is then your SOP. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to move to the next step, you can start with the resources I linked below this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like it below and share it. It will help to support this channel and create more helpful content for you regularly and make our digital work world a better place. Cheers and see you soon.